Hello, welcome to today's daily message. Continuing on the theme of faith, I want to talk briefly about the very close connection that exists between faith in God, faith in other people, and faith in ourselves. To say that I believe in God means that I trust God. It means that I believe that God is true to his word and that God keeps his promises. But one of the best measures of my faith or trust in God is my ability to trust other people. Do I trust that the people in my life are true to their word and that they keep their promises? And even before that, I must ask myself, am I trustworthy? Am I true to my word? Do I keep the promises that I make to other people? And so I suggest that one very accurate barometer of the depth and the quality of our faith in God is the depth and the quality of our faith and trust in others and our faith and trust in ourselves. Thank you for watching today.